Grabe mga kababayan. Good job, good job, good job. Team Sara sa depensa dahil naisahan nila mga kababayan etong prosekusyon, ang witness at maging si Cheese Escudero sa kanilang mga tanong mga kababayan. Nabulaga dahil nung una mga kababayan, pinakagat niya. Pinanood niya mga kababayan ang witness doon sa video ni VP Sara na kung saan ang sabi ni VP Sara, etong si Romualdez kurakot, sinabangag kurakot, si Romualdez nag-aastang presidente, namimigay-migay ng ayudang ganyan, kahit hindi naman siya presidente, pinapakidnap ang kanyang mga kalaban sa Tacloban at iba pa mga kababayan. So tinanong mga kababayan ng depensa etong witness na taga-NBI mga kababayan, ang sabi niya, sabi nito, base sa iyong nakita, agree ka ba sa sinabi ni Sara? O naniniwala ka ba na nangyari itong sinabi ni Sara in real life? Objection. Agad sila mga kababayan, objection. Sabi ni Ligutan na, bakit mo itatanong yan sa kanya? Hindi naman siya ang nag-uter. Yung sinabi ni Sara, is subjective yun. Hindi yun dapat itanong sa aming witness. Pag kayong mag-conclude ng kung ano-ano, ganyan-ganyan mga kababayan. Sige, sabi ng depensa, okay. Ayun, pinanood na naman ng another set of video mga kababayan. Binira na naman ni VP Inday, sina Bangag, sina Romualdez. And then, tinanong ulit. Base sa nakita mong video, naniniwala ka ba na nangyari ito sa totoong buhay, itong mga sinasabi ni VP Sara? Sabi na naman nila mga kababayan, bakit itatanong mo sa kanya yan? Ganyan. Ayun pala mga kababayan, pati si Cheese Escudero. Ang sabi, hindi dapat yan dahil hindi naman lahat ng sinabi ni Sara dapat agree itong mga NBI o nangyari yan sa totoong buhay. Hindi dapat siya ang tatanungin. Ayun pala, yan pala ang punto nitong depensa mga kababayan. Exactly what we are pointing. Kagaya ng sinabi ni VP Sara na kung mamamatay siya, mayroon na siyang kinausap na patayin yung tatlong mga bugok mga kababayan. Hindi rin dapat mag-speculate itong NBI na talagang mangyayari yan sa totoong buhay. Ayun, si Ligutan. Parang na butata si Ligutan. Sabi niya, napaka-malisyoso, ganyan-ganyan na siya. Nakuryente sila na isahan. Kaya nga mga kababayan, this is the right forum. Dito sa impeachment, maririnig ninyo ang side ni VP Sara. Hindi niya yan sinagot mga kababayan sa House of Representatives dahil what for? Makakapaghanda na sila. Ngayon mga kababayan, butata ang prosekusyon na kuryente mga kababayan. Panoorin niyo po
So yesterday, you identified videos, correct?
Yes, sir.
And specifically, portions of the November 23, 2024 press con.
Portion
Yes,
lang.
Right. Now, in that press con, VP Sara spoke about a lot of topics. Correct.
Hindi nila ibinibisagahan yon.
In other
Ayaw na lang
words,
isali
Mr. Witness, kindly answer yes or no,
Yes, sir.
Not simply say,
in other words,
Sorry, Honor.
she said many statements in that press con.
She said many statements, sir.
Yes.
All right, my question is this. Do you know for sure that VP Sara's statements during that press con happened in real life?
In real life? Well,
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection agad. Visit. Ipa-answer mo na lang.
Incompetent. The statements happening in real life as to the real life of the Vice President, this witness is being asked that question. Of course, the witness is incompetent, Your Honor, please.
Incompetent.
Counsel, kindly reform. It seems the witness did not understand
Okay,
the
let
question.
me help you. I'm showing you
So nga, di nakakaintindi.
also a portion of our exhibit D-1-145-A. This is the whole version of the video that the portions there that you identified yesterday. And particularly, I'll show you timestamp 51-07 or colon 07 onwards of the video. In this video, the Vice President mentioned about events that happened inside the Batasang Pambansa. Can we play that video, please?
Sige, i-play. Para.
Demokrasya, there's a rule of law, and then they make rules as they go along.
Dr. Lauren Badoy,
Releases the speaker, get her out of the House of Representatives kasi hindi siya dapat nandyan. Bakit? Pag may-ari niyo ba itong compound na ito, then sasabihin pa nila sa akin that there is a threat to my life inside the batasang pambansa? Why is there
Kasi ang ano doon mga kababayan, parang ang context niyan na ililipat yung mga tauhan ni VP Sara Duterte mga kababayan sa city jail dahil hindi daw sapat ang security dyan sa sa Kongreso.
a threat to my life?
Dahil daw sa threat.
All right. My question to
Your
you
Honor,
is
Your
this.
Honor, point of
Ayan, objection na naman. Wala pang question ha?
clarification, if I may, Your Honor. please.
Counsel for the prosecutor is recognized.
Your Honor,
Lecture?
there is a video that is marked in evidence capturing the events on November 23, 2024. And here we
Ito
have...
panahon ito sa mga kababayan, depensa cross-examination. Tapos kinukuha mga kababayan ng buwisit na siligutan yung spotlight.
Of the defense.
Your Honor, may we just
Oh,
know the
wait.
objection, Your Honor?
Wait, I'm
This
explaining.
is not the time for lecture, Your
Oh,
Honor.
lecture
Counsel
oh!
have not yet recognized. You'll let counsel for the prosecutor
Your Honor,
finish.
point of clarification.
Bias ka! Chiswiz!
They are presenting a video with anecdotes. I'm now questioning the
Kayo nga nag-present niyan.
propriety of the defense presenting a video without laying the basis where
Mag-antay ka kasi dahil ang mga kababayan, hindi pa nakatapos ng
this
yung depensa.
video came from, who is the source of those annotations thereto. Because, Your Honor, there's a video. They're confronting this witness with that video by presenting their own annotated, it's like a props, Your Honor, please.
Props.
This is highly
Mukha mo.
irregular in the court of law.
Counsel for the respondent, is this the video previously marked in evidence?
Your Honor, as I mentioned, we marked it in evidence as D-4-3, Your Honor.
Oh, mark na.
And this was also marked by the prosecution as their own. They have a separate
No.
marking for this, Your
No.
Honor.
This is part of the...
No.
Ito ang ginagawa ng prosecution inaaksaya nila ang oras mga kababayan ng depensa para magtanong.
2-hour and so-and-so minute video.
Correct, Your Honor. At any rate, Your
Your
Honor,
Honor,
if I may be
Counsel
allowed
for
to
the
finish.
prosecutor, kindly hold on.
At any rate, Your Honor,
Counsel for the respondent,
Okay.
the chair is not yet done. And the annotation below the video, is that part of the marked video?
this is part, Your Honor, of a separate exhibit that is also part of the Articles of Impeachment, Annex G, Your Honor. This is Mr. Kalilong's own transcription of the video, just to be clarified. on
But
that.
who
Si
put it
Kalilong
there?
ha?
We just placed it there, Your Honor. So we're making him identify actually the video as well as the appropriate transcription, which are both part of the Articles of Impeachment and Annex G9.
Presiding officer will allow it. Witness may answer.
Alaw.
So,
Butata
so
siligutan.
the question is, can you confirm for certain that these statements or any part thereof happened in real life?
Can you give me the timestamp, Your Honor, para ma-compare ko siya? Kung,
Timestamp 51-07.
Your Honor, if I may refer to my notes.
You may do so, sir.
Anong timestamp, sir?
Notes na naman.
5107.
Sige, ang script. Basahin mo yung script mo. Objection ya! Objection na naman yung siligutan mga kababayan. Visit na ligutan yan. Nag-wake up pa rin ba? Siligutan?
To help this honorable court, Your Honor, it appears on page 84 or more or less of the Articles of Impeachment, Annex G9, Your Honor. This is the transcription of Agent John Mark Kalilong dated December 26, 2024. For the record, Your Honor.
Noted.
Pwede akong patingin na lang kung nakita yung
Binigyan ka na nga page 84 eh.
timestamp 51.
Show it. Your Honor, in the interest of time, can we confront the witness with our own copy
Your own copy of what, counsel?
of the Articles of Impeachment, Annex G9, Your Honor?
Well, assisting counsel for the prosecutor is there. If in case there are any problems, kindly confirm if indeed that is the document being shown to the witness.
Wala.
Bilisan ninyo, Ito prosecution mga kababayan, ang style nila mga kababayan, kill the
That is
time.
page 14 of the Affidavit of Transcription.
No?
Page 14.
Nagtanga-tangahan, para kunwari, para maubos ang oras.
Saan ito? This is page 14.
Your Honor,
Tanga-tangahan, para maubos ang
I
oras.
manifest that we are showing that specific portion on the transcript prepared by Agent Kalilong of the NBI.
Kalilong kuliling.
But actually, Your Honor, even without consultation with the transcript, my answer is very simple. I'm just asking Your Honor. My question, I'm sorry, is very simple. My only question is, does he know for certain that these statements or any part of this statement happened in real life?
Your Honor, nabasa ko po rito sa copy ko, yung nandiyan dyan.
So do
Ano
you
sagot
confirm
mo?
that the statements were made by the Vice President, Mr. Witness?
It's here in the transcription, Your Honor, yes.
No. My question is not whether she made the statement. My question is if you know, based on your personal knowledge, if any statement or a portion thereof happened in real life. That's the question.
Well, Your Honor, the fact that we have the video on November 26, when the Vice President reiterated what she uttered in November 23, 2024.
Your Honor, I'm not even...
At the same time, Your Honor,
Maybe this is in the process.
Allow the witness to answer.
Nag-confuse siya sa question, mga kababayan.
Your Honor, we invited the media personalities who have personal knowledge on that date and on that online press conference. And nung tinanong namin sila kung nag-participate sila, sabi nila yes. Nakausap nila yung Vice Presidente, nagbigay sila ng mga katanungan. So definitely yes, nangyari po yun.
Your Honor, may you manifest, Your Honor, make a manifestation.
Yes, Counsel.
Your Honor, it appears that the witness is not being responsive to our question. He's talking about something that I did not ask. We are only focusing on this particular statement. We will show other statements later on. And we cannot get an answer from him if he knows.
Counsel,
Ano ba? Nangyari yan sa real life na yung pag-video o yung statement mga kababayan ni VP Sara? Siguro yung statement ni VP Sara, yung kanyang uter.
even I am confused with the question happened in real life. I think some of us are too.
I'll be more specific,
If
Your
the
Honor.
question is, kung alam nyo bang totoong nangyari to sa totoong buhay, ang sagot ng testigo ay, sa pagkakaalam niya ay oo, base sa kanya.
Siguro ang sinabi ni VP Sara, kung nangyari ba yan sa sa aktual mga kababayan.
Ng investigasyon at sinabi
I-replay mo ulit yung sinabi ni VP Sara.
ng mga inimbitahan nilang testigo.
All right. I'll clarify the question, Your
Kindly
Honor.
do so, Counsel.
All right. In this statement, for example, the Vice
kung ang
President said,
kung ang
there
statement ni
were
VP Sara
threats to
nangyari.
my life inside the Batasang Pambansa. Are you confirming that?
That is within the
All right.
transcription here, sir.
Now, my
Hindi. Kung talaga bang mayroong threat.
question to you is this. Did you investigate those threats
Objection,
to VP
Your Honor.
Sara's
Okay now.
I'm not yet done.
All right.
No, objection agad.
Yes, yes. So,
Did you investigate the threat to VP Sara's life during that time?
objection. Now,
Objection agad.
misleading, Your Honor.
What is it?
Misleading.
Because the question was, do you confirm that that statement is found in the transcription? As to
Hindi. Ikaw lang nga ang nag-answer ng ganyan. Ang humingi ng transcript, ang iyong client.
the Vice President saying that there were threats to her life. And then the witness said, yes, I confirm that I can find it in the transcription. Now the next question of the good counsel is, so did you investigate the threats?
Hindi ka kasi nakakaintindi, Ungas. Ang sabi niya, na nangyari ba yung sinabi ni VP Sara sa real life?
Misleading question.
Can we get that
Misleading.
Your Honor?
Counsel, he's a lawyer. Attorney Lotto is a lawyer, and he knows exactly what's going on. Attorney Lotto, kindly answer.
Yes, sir.
What's your answer?
What's the question, sir?
The question is, she mentioned there about the threats to his life. My question is simple.
To her
Did you
life,
investigate the threats to VP Sara's life during that time?
You mean during the live stream, sir?
During that time, correct. That during that live stream, she mentioned that there were threats to her life.
Well, based
Hindi nila alam. Hindi siguro sila
on
nanood.
investigation, nangyari yung live stream between 11 p.m.
Tulog siya.
22 to 1 a.m. 23. And then nalaman namin through nung kumalat siya sa social media noong mga hapon na. Kaya nag-start kami ng investigation. At that time, hindi pa namin alam yung buong laman ng
Sabi mo, kinahaponan ha. Sige, nag-imbestiga ba kayo?
video na yan kasi nag-start pa lang kami. So, I instructed Agent Kalilong na siya maging agent on case and then kunin niya yung video, the whole video para sa authentication.
Attorney
And
Lotto,
so far-
kindly answer the question directly. So I get from your long answer.
Ang
that the
dami
answer is
mong,
no.
dami sinasabi.
Specifically at that live stream moment, no, sir.
So
Hindi pa namin-
walang investigasyon.
The question of Attorney Binluan, if you investigated at that time, so the answer is no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But
Please proceed.
But later on,
Proceed.
you said you did an investigation. So are you admitting that there were threats to the life of VP Sara?
Precisely, that's the reason why we sent a December 2, 2024 letter for VP Sara to shed light on our investigation.
All right, I'll move on to a different part of the video. On page also of Exhibit D-1-145-A, this now pertains to timestamp 5930 onwards of the video recording. So page 15 of the affidavit of transcription, also by Agent Kalilong of the NBI, dated December 26, 2024. Can we show that video and then provide the appropriate transcript? Can you play that?
Sino yun? Sino yun? Ay, si Sara. Si VP
Speaker
Inday.
mo,
Nagulat.
pinabayaan mo siya abusuhin ang pera ng bayan. Paikot-ikot sa buong bansa,
Paikot-ikot.
namimigay ng pera na para bang kanya
Parang kanya, no?
yung pera. Eh di ba nga, lagi niyo sinasabi separation of powers? Anong trabaho ng legislative branch? Gumawa ng batas. Anong ginagawa ni Martin Romualdez?
Ayuda.
Nagdidirect ng DSWD, namimigay ng ayuda,
Correct.
nagsasabi kung anong bibigay, anong ibibigay, anong gagawin, sino ba ang presidente?
Alright.
Sino ba ang presidente?
So my question
Objection!
to you is this. Okay, having watched that video
Objection na
and
naman ang
read the
visit.
transcript, my question is very simple. Do you know for sure if this statement by the Vice President or any part thereof happened in real life?
Statement ha. Yan, hindi ang pagkasabi niyan ha, o yung event na yan. Alam mo ba, nung nangyari yung sinasabi ni VP Sara na si Romualdez, mga kababayan, nag-astang presidente.
Well, Your Honor, as I've said, I've answered already, nung inimbestigahan namin yan, yung video,
Hindi yung video na yan.
na kami
A
sa-
yes or no answer will suffice, Your Honor.
Kindly answer more directly to save on the court's time, Mr. Attorney Lotop.
Objection!
Your Honor, based on our investigation, yes, it happens in the natural order of things. Nangyari talaga yan.
So in other words, you're admitting that
Si Romualdez.
Martin Romualdez goes around the country to distribute
Bigay ng
money?
ayuda.
I'm saying, nangyari ho yung utterances na yan.
That's not my
Vice
question.
So nga, nilinaw na nga yan na, ang tanong mga kababayan, na-agree ka ba o sang-ayon ka ba na yung sinabi ni Sara ang nangyari sa totoong buhay?
Question. That's precisely my point. I'm not asking if she made these statements. I'm asking if the truth of these statements you have personal knowledge of. So be more direct in your answer.
That's why I have to object now, Your Honor. Now,
Yan, object na naman, no?
there are several statements made, and then the witness is being asked, do you confirm these statements? Compound question. Exactly, that's the
Compound question.
reason why we don't allow. There are so many statements o sinasabi gumawa ng batas. So siguro yung tanong is this happened, did this happen in real life? So this witness being confronted with several statements and
Sige,
he is being
isa-isahin,
asked to answer
isa-isahin.
yes or no. That's why it's compound question.
Your Honor, my
Oh.
question is the statements or any part thereof, Your Honor. The witness is smart enough to answer. He can just clarify.
Kaya nga,
The objection is sustained, but not on that ground, but rather on the ground that the witness is incompetent to testify as to the truth of the matter stated by the Vice President. He can only testify as to the fact that those statements were made, only as to tenor, but not as to the truth, given that he only investigated and was not there. You may proceed, counsel.
In that case, Your
To the
Honor,
rescue.
if we confront also just a manifestation, Your Honor.
Yes, you may proceed.
In other words, Your Honor, we would like to manifest, Your Honor, based on that ruling of the court, that even if VP Sara said that she already talked to a person, then we cannot confirm the truth because this witness does not have personal knowledge.
ayan. Yan pala ang punto, mga kababayan. Just like the same na yung sinabi. Ayun yun tala yung sinabi ni VP Sara na si Romualdez, mga kababayan, is naglilibot sa buong bansa. Namigay ng pera na parang presidente. So, dabitag niya, mga kababayan. So, ang sabi ni Chis, no, hindi siya makakapag-testify ang NBI niyan. Dahil, andun niya sa nagsabi, dapat ang nagsabi ang mag-explain, ganyan. Akala natin, mga kababayan, na natalo na doon ang depensa. ang sabi pa lang ng depensa, exactly what our point is. Na yang sinabi ni VP Sara din na threat, hindi pwedeng i-interpret ng NBI na yan na ang totoong nangyari.
That's a conclusion.
That's
Objection.
just a
Bravo!
manifestation for the court's
That-
appreciation.
Bravo!
Proceed with
Can I
my
make
next
a
question,
counter
Your Honor.
Kuryente
manifestation,
sila.
Your Honor, please? Counter
Kuryente.
manifestation, please. To put into record, Your Honor, please.
For about 15 seconds, Counsel,
Okay,
yes.
the defense is entitled to their own conception of things. They're entitled to
Ayan.
their own imagination. That-
Nakuryente kasi sila. Nakuryente mga kababayan. Ayan, naisahan. Grabe. Nabitag.
Counsel may proceed with his cross.
Just to believe.
Si Chis Escudero pa ang talagang nagkumpirma mga kababayan. Hindi naman dapat sinasagot yan ng witness dahil yung subjective yan. Ganyan mga kababayan, subjective daw. Akala nila nasupalpal nila mga kababayan na bakit ka nagtatanong ng ganyan. Ayun, ang punto pala niya, exactly what our point. Kagaya ng pag-atter ni VP Sara Duterte, yung sinasabi niyong threat is subjected. Hindi dapat i-interpret ng NBI na kung sinong ganyan. Si Sara mismo ang dapat tanungin yan, which is, this is the proper forum dyan sa impeachment ngayon. At mag-antay kayo kung kailan mga kababayan matapos ang isyong yan. Dahil i-address yan one by one.
Labor this point, Your Honor. Annex D-1-145-A.
Nabitag
Anyway, Your
no?
Honor, they showed around 7 to 8
Brilliant.
videos yesterday.
Brilliant.
We'll show about 4. This pertains to timestamp 1-08-58. And we will also present page 17 of the affidavit of transcription also by Agent Kalilong dated December 26,
Kalilong.
2024. In this video clip, the Vice President mentioned about the former Speaker of the House and the confidential funds of the Office of the President. Can we play that video?
Sige, play.
Hindi ka nga dumadaan ng contest kasi wala kang kalaban sa Tacloban. Kasi pinibili mo,
Si Romualdez naman.
pinapakidnap mo, inaharas mo, ang mga kalaban mo. Hindi ka dumaan ng contest. Ang alam mo lang, kasi mayaman ka, bibilhin ko lahat ng tao ng pera.
Oh, correct. At ito nga mga kababayan, initially, si Romualdez ang dito. Itong impeachment kay Sara, ang isa sa mga mastermind kasama ni Ngagva. Dahil gusto nilang i-disqualify si VP Sara dahil tatakbo daw yun si Romualdez dati tapos hindi umobra dahil negative.
Ikubriman mong tanan, kwarta na may inyo. There is nothing in you except money. Yan lang. Martin, harapin mo yung katotohanan. Walang senador man, vice president man, president man, walang mabuto sa'yo. Hindi ko nga alam kung mananalo ka pa ngayon sa Tacloban eh.
Walang kalaban.
Malamang hindi na.
Kung mayroong kalaban mga kababayan, kaya nga challenge si Ted Filon na tumakbo ka sa Tacloban, Ted Filon, hindi lang puro ngak-ngak. Kalabanin mo si Romualdez.
Gusto. Sa lahat.
Tacloban yan si Romualdez, si
Pilipinas,
Ted Filon mga
ibalik ka
kababayan.
sa Kongreso. Hindi lahat ng tao pupunta yan doon sa Tacloban, mangangampanya yan sa kalaban mo.
Ted Filon, tumakbo ka.
Magnanakaw ka.
Magnanakaw nga.
Hindi ka dumadaan sa audit. Milyon-milyon, buwan-buwan. Certification lang ng congressman. 1 million, 2 million, pirma lang. Alam nyo, bakit alam ko? Kasi may MA din ako. May MA ako sa DepEd, may MA ako sa U. Pero sa amin, sa akin, nire-require ako ng resibo. Nakuha. Pero alam ko, certification lang ang kailangan. Pero nakuha ko.
Dyan, liquidation by certification mga kababayan. At ang utak niyan, isa sa mga utak, si Lacson. Di ba?
Bigay nyo lahat ng resibo. Pero ikaw, pirma mo lang. Hindi mo nga ata pirma yan. Pirma lang ng staff mo yan.
Oo. Posible, no?
Milyon, dyan.
Billion, trillion.
On accounts. Lumalabas ang pera.
Uy, sige. Uy, i-play nyo yan para makita ng buong mundo. Dahil hindi lahat nakakita niyan
Pirma nyo lang. Walang audit sa inyo. Sino ang nag-audit? Confidential funds ng Office of the President.
Wala.
Wala. Yan ang Pilipinas. Yan!
The
Bagong
Pilipinas. Bagoong Pilipinas.
Kriminal ang speaker.
Kriminal.
Bakit ko nasabi kriminal siya?
Kriminal.
Sayang yung kaso.
Oh.
Yan. the United States of America.
Oo nga, no? Oh.
Okay.
Sa Delaware, no?
Maling presidente.
All right. Again, my question based on this video is very simple. She spoke about Speaker Martin Romualdez as well as the President. Can you confirm or do you know for sure that these statements about Martin
Ala ha. Another one, mga kababayan.
Romualdez or the President
Oo, dahil sinabi nyo na ha, na dahil sinabi ni Sara na nang threat siya, naniwala na kayo. O, kung sinabi pala ni BP Sarang ganyan, maniniwala na kayo agad-agad. Huwag kayong double standard ha.
are true?
Objection!
Your Honor, I will object on the same ground. And I hope
Objection!
that the presiding officer will do the same ruling. This witness is incompetent. I know what the defense is doing. Your Honor.
Ay, nako, oh. Inggit ka lang.
Objection.
Objection!
This witness is highly incompetent as to whether
Ikaw ang incompetent. Nag-make up ka nga.
he knows whether those statements are in fact
What's the ground
happening.
for the objection? Can we just be informed
Move
of the
on.
ground for the objection?
I just said it. Incompetent. This witness.
Incompetent, that is not a ground.
Can we get the ruling, Your Honor?
Oh.
Sher made an earlier ruling already that the witness is incompetent to testify as to the truth of the matter. But since Attorney Lotok, you're a lawyer, I will give it this time to the counsel for the respondents. Kindly respond. Since you're a lawyer, you should know the proper answer to this question. Kindly respond
Kaya
to the
nga.
question of counsel for respondent.
Again, I do not know personally about the
Useless ka,
the
pagka-NBI ka.
circumstances.
Oh.
What I know is
The same thing, pating, na ano, hindi mo alam yung factual ng sinabi ni Sarah.
that she uttered those statements.
We're satisfied with that answer, no? Your Honor. One last video.
Counsel.
Nakuha na niya ang point, mga kababayan. Ang punto no ng prosecution, pinapatunayan lang dito, mga kababayan, na bakit sa ibang bagay sasabihin nilang hindi nila alam o hindi sila certain dahil hindi nila alam yan. Pero yung ano na, mga kababayan, about na kay Bangag na threat kunwari, bigla na nilang sinabi na legit.
One last video on page 87 of the Articles of Impeachment, Annex G9. This is timestamp 1-12-43. This is quite a lengthy video, but not as lengthy. But this is our last video, so we beg the court's indulgence. The
2 oras na yan,
affidavit
diretso
of
na.
transcription, page 17, also of Agent Park Kalilong, dated December 26, 2024. Are we ready with that video?
Your Honor, to save
Counsel
wag
for the
ka-
prosecutors.
because I know the
Wag ka nang umepal. Ikaw ang nagpapatagal eh.
counsel will ask the same question. So to save time, Your Honor, please, since the
Your Honor,
counsel-
what is
Ay,
your
nako.
objection?
I'm not yet done.
Kindly
Not
let
yet done eh. O hindi ka nga
the
nagpa-acknowledge.
counsel for the prosecutor finish.
Relax. Now,
Relax.
Your Honor, if
Salbahe
the
talaga
same
tong-
line of question will
Bakla ba yan, mga kababayan?
ask. Okay.
Your
The
Honor,
wait,
make up.
I'm not
He
yet
cannot
done.
he cannot
I'm
preempt,
not
Oh,
Your
he
Honor.
cannot.
I'm not yet done.
Not yet done.
Prosecution is willing to stipulate that yes, the Vice President uttered that statement as to the fact
Move
of
on.
her uttering the statement.
We
Delaying
have a different
tactics.
question, Your Honor, just to satisfy his query.
All right.
So I guess the objection is withdrawn, or the manifestation is withdrawn, and counsel for respondent may proceed.
Play the
The
video, please.
showing of the playing of the video.
At ng kainin ko, buffet time dito sa House of Representatives. Alak, lahat ng juice, lahat ng mamahaling wine. Pero yung taong bayan,
Kawawa.
yung taong bayan na prinamisan ninyo, 20 pesos rice,
Na nga.
taong bayan na hindi ninyo pinupuntahan sa mga komunidad nila, ano sabi nila?
Gutom na sila.
Asin lang, okay na mi, anad naman mi, anak.
Okay lang daw ang
ang
asin.
bayan natin.
Mm.
Okay
Tapos-
na lang kami sa asin.
Tapos ang mga buaya, mga kababayan, ang sarap. Ang buhay.
Ng bayan na ang tao, because of their hopelessness,
Hopelessness.
because there is no functioning
Government.
umukay na lang sa asin. Buti na nga lang, abogado si Attorney Lopez eh. Kasi alam niya kung ano sasabihin niya doon sa mga pumasok sa kwarto niya. Na take note, nagnakaw pa ng cellphone. Saan ka nakahanap? Papasok ka, nanakawin mo yung cellphone, dadalhin mo pa yung tao. Diba? Princess, you're raising your hand.
Princess.
Hello, naririnig po ba ako? Princess Maui?
Prinsesa ba si Maui?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Princess ang
Good
pangalan.
morning po, Madam Vice President. Thank you so much nga po pala sa dala niyong hopya nung hearing na pumunta kayo for PRRD. Kami yung nasa likod niyo po, yung tinawag nilang bastos kasi pumalakpak kami because of Congresswoman Cardema. Thank you, ma'am. Nakakain kami. Ako po ay natatakot kumain ng pagkain doon baka mamaya. Ma'am, mag-iingat po kayo. Nasa teritoryo kayo ng kalaban.
Madaldal ka kasi, princess, ma.
Okay lang
Nag-aalala po kami para.
Nadali tuloy si Sarah sa question mo.
Kasi sila naman na sila talaga yung bastos eh.
Mm.
You reap
Opo,
what you
okay.
sow.
Yeah. Mag-iingat po kayo kasi sa dinami-rami po ng inyong mga pasabog ngayong gabi, it seems like marami po talaga kayong alam about them, no? Dahil sa,
Oh, ayan. Ito na nga resulta. Pinakasuhan na siya.
sa pagkakasama niyo sa kanila during the campaign and during the 2022 elections. Baka po mamaya kasi totoo yung mga naririnig namin or yung, I don't know if it's true, na meron daw silang Operation Romanovs and
Hindi naman pala talagang sinabi ni ni Maui.
baka bala kayong ubusin ang inyong pamilya dahil hadlang kayo sa kanilang mga balak in the future. So mag-iingat po kayo. Kami po kasi kami ng EDSA Friday crew, kami yung bumababa every Friday dyan sa EDSA because we believe yan yung tamang venue sa dinami-rami na ng problema natin. Ang kaya lang naman po namin gawin ay manawagan na bumaba na yan. Ano po
bangag.
kaya ang remedy naman ninyong mga nasa posisyon or ng mga kayang labanan itong napakarami na pong ginagawang korupsyon at krimen laban sa taong bayan? Ano po?
In fairness kay Maui, mga kababayan, ha, hindi pala siya nag-definite na mayroong Operation Romanov. Sinabi niya, may narinig lang siya pero hindi niya alam kung totoo.
Ang pwede nyo maging remedy para matapos na ito, lalo't nagsisigaw na po ang taong bayan na mag-people power na.
Yes. Huwag kang mag-alala, ma'am, sa security ko.
Kaligtasan,
Kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM.
Ayan ha. Ayan. Eto na, alam na natin ang correction nito, mga kababayan. Yung sa unang dalawang question, sinabi ng taga-NBI, mga kababayan, hindi ako makakasagot dyan. Dahil yan si Sarah lang ang dyan, mga kababayan dapat tanungin daw. Likewise dito. Dito ngayon. Bakit kayo nag-speculate? Pareho lang naman din yon. Dapat tanungin si VP Sara Duterte, which is ngayon ginagawa na niya ang pagsagot, mga kababayan, dito sa impeachment.
Si Lisa Araneta at si Martin Romualdez. No joke.
Yan ang connection nito.
No joke. Nagbilin na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag ka tumigil hanggang hindi mo mapatay sila. And then he said yes.
Bluff lang yan, mga kababayan, sa tingin natin ni VP Sara.
So, alam mo, ma'am, yan ang lagi kong sinasabi sa Makabayan Black.
Makabuang black.
Ang laban, wala dyan sa EDSA, ma'am. Wala dyan sa mga highway. Ang laban, ma'am, nandun sa loob ng palasyo.
Andun.
Yan ang problema. We appreciate yung expression ninyo ng disgust, ng
Pagkamuhi sa bangag.
ng hopelessness, kasi it reflects kung ano yung nararamdaman ng marami,
Milyong.
Alam ko yan, ma'am. Kasi kahit saan ako pumunta, ako ang sinasabihan, binoto namin yan dahil sinabi boto namin.
Oo nga. Dahil kay Sara, napabangag na tuloy tayo. Nakapaboto tayo kay
Maraming
bangag.
salamat sa ginagawa ninyo. Dahil sa ginagawa ninyo, I'm sure nakikita yan ang taong bayan and na-appreciate nila yan. Marami sa ating mga kababayan ang gusto sumali sa inyo. Pero sa sobrang hirap ng buhay ngayon, hindi nila maiwanan yung mga trabaho nila at hanap buhay nila para pumunta sa daan. Bakit sila naghihirap? Bakit?
Kaya pala gusto ni bangag, mga kababayan, na mahirap ang para hindi na wala nang time mag-rally sa hirap ng buhay.
Dahil sa gobyerno.
Bangag.
Di ba dapat yung gobyerno natin ang nagpapagaan ng buhay ng tao? Bakit ang
Papahirap
gobyerno natin ang nagpapahirap lalo sa tao? Kasi gusto ba nila lagi na lang mahirap ang mga tao?
Yes.
Para madali mapasunod? May mga lugar kami sa Mindanao na ganyan ang mga politiko. Gusto nila mahirap lahat.
Ano bang mga lugar yan? Lugar nila Adyong, lugar nila Barbers.
Bahugan lang nila ang kwarta. Governor na sila, mayor na sila, congressman na sila. Hanapin nyo, ma'am, yung mga lugar na sobrang hirap sa Mindanao. Tingnan nyo anong gawain ng politiko. pinapakain lang ng pera ang tao. Pinabastos yung kanilang pagkatao dahil wala silang pakialam.
Walang pakialam.
Attorney Lotok,
O,
you
ayan.
said a lot of statements in that portion of
Yes,
the
sir.
video. In fact, that statement included the statement which you investigated, correct?
Included in the transcription, sir. Yeah.
All right. Now you get the point. My question to you
Ah.
is this. Can you
Eto na
confirm
point.
now that the statement she made about BBM, FL, and the former speaker and the congressman relating to various acts of corruption are true and happened in real life?
Para man lang na sinabi mong true na yung threat. So, ibig sabihin true na yung sinabi ni Sarah na mga kurakot. Admit it. Huwag kang magdouble,
As to the existence of that utterances, yes, sir.
All right. So you just admitted that the
na
congressman
kurakot. Si Romualdez. Nagbaliw-baliwan itong ang ungas na to, no? Naintindihan nga natin ang tanong, mga kababayan, na tama ba itong sinasabi ni BP Sara? Agree ka ba dito? Dinadivert niya ang sagot ng mga kababayan na, sinabi yan ni BP Sara.
As to the
Thank you for that.
existence
Thank you
of
for that
utterances,
direction.
yes, sir.
That is a foul side remark.
Foul.
The
I wasn't
counsel
the
is
one who said it,
twisting
Your Honor.
the answer
The
of the
witness-
witness. If
the
I may,
witness
can I
was the one-
finish?
Shut up, aligutan.
Yes.
Counsel
Can I
for the
finish?
parties, kindly settle down.
Can I finish?
The witness said that he confirmed as to the fact that the utterances were made.
That's why, Your Honor, I am objective.
Kindly be more specific. You, Attorney Lotok, you know what's being asked.
Yes, sir.
Finish and complete your answer to avoid the misunderstanding.
Based on our investigation, as
Hindi
to the
kasi-
existence of that utterances, yeah, dahil may mga
Syunga ka ba? Sinabihan ka nga, hindi ito ang question na sinabi ba yan ni Sarah o hindi. Kundi, agree ka ba sa sinabi ni Sarah? Dahil may implication yan
pieces of evidence kami. But whether or not nangyari yan, wala ho akong personal knowledge, sir.
All right. In the same
Correct. Exactly the point of the defense, mga kababayan. Exactly the same yung sinabi niyang about doon sa threat.
way,
Wala
you
ka ring
also
alam.
do not have personal knowledge that VP Sara contracted an assassin, correct?
Your Honor,
Correct.
the video dated November 26, 2024, the Vice President reiterated
it's
and in
answerable by
fact,
yes or
Yes
no.
or
How
no.
can he be?
It's
How can he be?
Counsels, kindly settle down. This is not a college debate.
Hindi to debate sa
The
college.
question was simple. Kindly answer the question directly.
yes, sir.
You
That
do not
it-
have personal knowledge.
that utterances made by the Vice President that she contracted a person, I do believe that, sir, because of the pieces of evidence that we've gathered, sir.
So, meaning, naniniwala ka rin sa mga sinasabi niya sa tungkol kay Bangag at sa mga iba. Baliktad na. Kung about kay Bangag ang mga kababayan, yung pangungurakot, hindi ko alaman, wala akong kinalaman dyan.
No, I'm not asking whether or not she said those statements. I'm asking if you have personal knowledge based on this that the Vice President
Nangyari yung mga
contracted
sinasabi.
an assassin.
Ask an
Or,
answer.
a person.
Objection. Ask and answer. Second
Witness will
time around.
answer.
Based on our investigation, Your Honor, we do believe that the Vice
Attorney
President,
Lotok, the question was, do you have personal knowledge?
as to the fact of the utterances, and then when the Vice President reiterated that in
Attorney
November
Lotok, you're a
26,
smart
yes, sir.
man. Just answer the question. Do you have personal knowledge? You said that as to the other parts, you do not have personal knowledge.
Tapos yung assassin biglang nagka-personal knowledge. Dahil
But now,
agree
my
siya
question to you is as to the part whether
Kinasuhan
VP
na
Sara
nila?
talked to that person about BBM and FL and the speaker, do you have personal knowledge or not?
Pwede ko pong i-explain, Your Honor.
No, just
Yes or no?
answer the question, yes or no.
Personal knowledge.
Attorney Lotok, this is not the first time you attended a trial. I'm sure counsel for the prosecutors and redirect will be able to clarify whatever you want to clarify. But in the meantime, answer the question of counsel for the respondent.
Yeah, we do believe that the Vice President had contracted, but I don't have personal knowledge.
Walang
Kung
personal knowledge.
ang gusto niyong malaman. Pero we do believe based on the
I'll believe na. Tapos, kung doon ang tanong mga kababayan sa tungkol sa pangungurakot ni Marcos, hindi kami nagbibilib. Wala akong alam dyan.
evidence that we've gathered and based on our investigation.
Booking ang dating.
Thank you for
Proceed,
that
counsel.
admission.
Na-admit.
All right. The press con was broadcasted to the general public, correct?
Nako.